Hola, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today I'm going to be reviewing an Airbnb in Málaga, Spain. And right now I'm just on the little balcony enjoying the view with the beautiful palm trees. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, that concludes the apartment tour. Maybe you'll book it in the future. Some criteria for me, I always like to book a place with a beautiful view. It's just the best to check in and have this kind of view, and to check out and still leave with this kind of view. Until next time, peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Toodles!